Chapter 8 Forests 8.1 Forests, the biophysical environment. What are forests? Forests are large areas covered mostly with trees. Forests are living environments where plants, animals, soil, water, air, sunlight, and climate all work together. A place is called a forest when trees are more than 2 meters high. Trees cover more than 20% of the land. Forests are very important for life on Earth. They provide oxygen, wood, food, shelter for animals, protection of soil and water, climate control. Humans have used forests for thousands of years, but today forests are being destroyed very quickly. Important forest facts. Around 16 hectares of forests disappear every year. Only 20% of the world's original old forests still remain. Forests cover more than 1/4 of Earth's non-polar land. More than 50% of forests are in tropical regions. Me remaining forest regions. Canadian and Alaskan boreal forests. Russian boreal forests. Amazon rainforest. Layers of a forest. A forest has different layers. 1. Overstory canopy. Upper layer of trees. Branches and leaves spread out. Receives most sunlight. Me place for photosynthesis. 2. Understory. Lower layer. Smaller plants and trees grow here. Receives less sunlight. 5 layers of tropical rainforest. 1. Emergent layer. Tallest trees. Trees rise above the canopy. Birds like eagles live here. 2. Canopy layer. Thick roof of leaves. Most animals live here. Receives maximum sunlight. 3. Understory. Small trees and plants. Dark and humid. 4. Shrub layer. Shrubs and ferns grow. Very little sunlight. 5. Ground layer. Forest floor. Fallen leaves, fruits, seeds, dead plants. Little vegetation due to lack of sunlight. Types of forests. There are 3 major forest types. 1. Tropical rainforests. Location. Near the equator. Amazon basin. Central Africa. Indonesia. Papua New Guinea. Climate. Hot throughout the year. Temperature 24 degrees Celsius - 28 degrees Celsius. Heavy rainfall more than 1500 mm. Characteristics. Very dense forests. Evergreen broadleaf trees. Trees stay green all year. Very rich biodiversity. Many plants and animals. Huge biomass. Special features. Trees have drip-tip leaves to remove water. Vines and lianas climb trees. Nutrients recycle very quickly. Soil. Soil becomes poor quickly if forest is removed. 2. Temperate deciduous forests. Location. Europe. USA. Canada. China. Japan. Climate. Warm summers. Cold winters. Rain all year. Characteristics. Trees shed leaves in autumn. Trees grow new leaves in spring. Trees include oak, maple, beech. Rich fertile soil. 3. Evergreen coniferous forests taiga, boreal. Location. Cold northern areas. Canada. Russia. Northern Europe. Climate. Very cold winters. Short cool summers. Little rainfall. Characteristics. Cone-bearing trees. Pine, fir, cedar, spruce. Needle-shaped waxy leaves. Trees remain green all year. Soil. Thin and acidic soil. Low biodiversity. Importance of forests. Forests are extremely important. Economic importance. Forests provide timber, paper, fuel wood, fruits, medicines, fiber, gums and resins. More than 1.6 people depend on forests for livelihood. Ecological importance. Forests support biodiversity, prevent soil erosion, protect water, control floods, clean air and water, produce oxygen, store carbon dioxide, Control climate. Forests as carbon sinks. Forests absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis. Trees store carbon for many years. Because of this, forests reduce global warming. Forests slow climate change. This is why forests are called carbon sinks. Important fact. Forests store more carbon than the atmosphere itself. 8.2 Forests, causes of environmental change. Human impact on forests. Humans cut forests for farming, settlements, roads, timber, industries, mining. Population growth increases pressure on forests. Modern machines now destroy forests faster than before. Deforestation. Meaning. Deforestation means cutting and removing large areas of forests. Main causes of deforestation. 1. Logging. Cutting trees for wood. 2. Agriculture. Forests cleared for farming. 3. Cattle ranching. Land cleared for raising animals. 4. Plantation farming. Large plantations. Soybean farms. Palm oil plantations. 5. Roads. Roads allow access deep into forests. 6. Fires. Forests are burnt to clear land. Clear cutting. Clear cutting means cutting all trees in an area at once. It is fast but very destructive. Effects of deforestation. Environmental effects. Habitat destruction. Loss of biodiversity. Soil erosion. Climate change. Flooding. Loss of oxygen production. Effects on animals. Animals lose homes. Species become extinct. Effects on climate. More carbon dioxide enters atmosphere. Global warming increases. Environmental change in forests. Climate change is causing hotter weather, drier forests, more diseases, more insects, forest fires. Trees weaken and die quickly. The Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most important forests in the world. Importance. Home to millions of species. Provides oxygen. Stores carbon dioxide. Controls rainfall. Supports indigenous people. It is called the lungs of the earth because it produces about 20% of Earth's oxygen. Nutrient cycling in rainforests. Dead leaves and plants decompose quickly. Nutrients return to the soil and are reused by plants. This recycling helps rainforests survive despite heavy rain. Globalization and forests. Global demand for timber, paper, furniture, palm oil has increased forest destruction. Companies create fast-growing plantations in developing countries. Solutions to protect forests. 1. Recycling. Reuse wood products. 2. Afforestation. Plant forests on empty land. 3. Reforestation. Replant trees in cleared forests. 4. Selective logging. Cut only selected trees. 5. Forest laws. Governments should stop illegal cutting. 6. Conservation. Protect natural forest areas. 8.3 Climate and natural vegetation. Natural vegetation. Plants that grow naturally without human help. Examples. Forests. Grasslands. Deserts. Agriculture. Plants grown by humans using seeds. Irrigation. Fertilizer. Me factors affecting vegetation. 1. Temperature. 2. Rainfall. These determine which plants can grow. Relationship between climate and vegetation. High rainfall. Forests. Medium rainfall. Grasslands. Low rainfall. Deserts. Latitude and vegetation. Near equator. More sunlight. More forests. Near poles. Less sunlight. Less vegetation. Altitude and vegetation. As height increases, temperature decreases. Wind increases. This changes vegetation. High mountains have tundra. Snow. Very small plants. 8.4 Forests of Pakistan. Pakistan has many types of forests because of different climates and landforms. Only about 4.9% of Pakistan's land is covered by forests. Types of forests in Pakistan. 1. Alpine forests. Areas. Dir. Chitral. Kohistan. Features. Very cold. High altitude. Needle leaves. Little wildlife. 2. Coniferous forests. Areas. Swat. Shangla. Marie. Quetta. Features. Pine trees. Evergreen. Cone bearing. Needle leaves. 3. Riverine forests. Areas. Along River Indus. Features. Fast growing trees. Fertile soil. Plenty of water. Used for timber. 4. Tropical thorn forests. Areas. Sindh. Punjab. Balochistan. Features. Thorny plants. Low height. Dry conditions. 5. Mangrove forests. Areas. Indus Delta. Hub Delta. Features. Grow in salty water. Dense roots. Protect coastlines. Distribution of forests in Pakistan. As we move from coast to mountains. Mangroves. Riverine forests. Thorn forests. Coniferous forests. Alpine vegetation. Snow-covered mountains. Climate and altitude change vegetation. Famous forests of Pakistan. Juniper forests Ziyarat. Ancient trees. Over 5,000 saal old. Cultural heritage site. Doder forests. Northern Pakistan. Valuable wood. Habitat of Markhor. Ayubia National Park. Pine and cedar forests. Tourist attraction. Changamanga Forest. Near Lahore. One of the world's largest man-made forests. 8.5 mangroves. What are mangroves? Mangroves are salt-tolerant trees that grow well and meets the sea. They grow in coastal areas, muddy shores, tidal regions. Importance of mangroves. Mangroves prevent coastal erosion, reduce tsunami damage, protect coastlines, provide shelter for fish and crabs, support marine life. They act like a natural barrier against sea waves. Mangroves in Pakistan. Mainly found Indus Delta, coast of Balochistan. Problems faced by mangroves. Mangroves survive in difficult conditions. Salty water, waterlogged soil, lack of oxygen, tides, soft mud. Adaptations of mangroves. 1. Special roots. Roots spread widely for support. 2. New metaphors. Special roots rise above mud to absorb oxygen. 3. Salt removal. Leaves remove extra salt. Mangrove destruction. Nearly half of the world's mangroves are destroyed due to coastal development, canals, prawn farms, urban expansion. Countries badly affected. Bangladesh, Philippines. Value of mangroves. Mangroves are extremely valuable because they protect coastlines, support fishing, provide fuel wood, support biodiversity. Protecting mangroves is cheaper than rebuilding damaged coastal areas. Important definitions. Biodiversity. Variety of plants and animals. Biomass. Plant material from living things. Carbon sink. Natural area that absorbs carbon dioxide. Deforestation. Removal of forests. Clear cutting. Cutting all trees in one area. Mangrove. Salt-tolerant coastal tree. Pneumatophore. Special mangrove root for oxygen. Overstory. Upper tree layer. Understory. Lower forest layer. Important short notes for test. Forests help by producing oxygen, absorbing carbon dioxide, preventing erosion, controlling floods, supporting biodiversity. Main causes of deforestation: logging, farming, roads, fires, Cattle ranching. Me forest types. Tropical rainforest. Temperate deciduous forest. Coniferous forest. Pakistan forest types. Alpine. Coniferous. Riverine. Thorn. Mangrove. Mangrove importance. Protect coast. Reduce erosion. Support fish life. Act as natural barriers. Amazon rainforest importance. Huge biodiversity. Produces oxygen. Carbon sink. Controls climate. 8.1 forests, activities or skills. Knowledge and understanding. 1. Identify the main features of a forest environment. Forests have tall trees that cover a large area. They have different layers like canopy and ground layer. They contain many plants and animals. Forests also have soil, water, air, and many living things interacting together. 2. Differentiate between the two layers of a typical forest. Overstory canopy. This is the top layer made of tall tree crowns. It gets most sunlight. Understory. This is below the canopy. It has small trees, bushes, and plants that grow in shade. 3. Outline the economic services provided by forests. Forests give us wood for furniture and construction. They provide fuel wood for cooking. People also earn money from fruits, medicines, rubber, and other forest products. Many jobs depend on forests. 4. Explain why forests are vital. Carbon sinks. Forests absorb carbon dioxide from the air during photosynthesis. They store carbon in trees and soil. This helps reduce global warming and keeps the climate balanced. Geographical skills. 5. What is the value of raw materials gained from rainforests? The value of raw materials is the smallest in the graph, about $30 approx. 5b. What is the combined value of all other ecological services? The total value of all other services is much higher, about $200 or more approx. 5c. If extracting raw materials causes deforestation, what is the significance of this graph? The graph shows that forests give more value when left natural than when cut for wood. So, destroying forests gives less benefit than keeping them. 8.2 Forests, activities or skills. 1. Define the term deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down large areas of trees and forests for farming, buildings, or timber. 2. Compare the rates of deforestation in the 1.9 and Ali 2.0. In the 1.9, deforestation was higher, about 16 hectares per year. In the Ali 2.0, it decreased to about 13 hectares per year. 3. Explain why humans must be included in any investigation of environmental change in forests. Humans are the main cause of forest change. They cut trees for farming, roads, industries, and housing. So human actions must be studied to understand forest loss. Geographical skills. 4a. What was the approximate net forest loss for South America in 2000 से 2010? About 4 hectares per year loss. 4b. What was the approximate net forest loss for Africa in the 2 decades shown? About 3.4 hectares per year loss in both periods, approximately similar. 4c. What was the approximate difference in Oceania between the 2 decades? In 1.9 से 2.0 there was very little loss, but in 2.0 से 2.1 there was about 0.7 hectares per year loss. So the difference is about 0.7 hectares per year. 8.3 Climate and natural vegetation activities. 1. What are the 2 most important factors that affect vegetation of a place? The 2 main factors are temperature, rainfall, precipitation. 2. How do forests differ from the rest of natural vegetation on Earth? Forests are made of tall, dense trees. They have many layers and high biodiversity. Other vegetation like grasslands and deserts has fewer trees or no trees. 3. Describe how climate can limit the type of vegetation in a region. If a place is hot and wet, forests grow. If it is dry, deserts grow. Cold places support only small plants or coniferous forests. So climate controls plant growth. 4. What role does altitude play in plant growth? At higher altitude, temperature becomes colder. This reduces plant growth. Only small and strong plants can survive in high mountains. 5. Most commonly grown vegetation in Pakistan. In Pakistan, common vegetation includes wheat, rice, sugarcane crops, grasslands, thorny bushes in dry areas, forest trees in northern areas like pine and deodar. 8.4 Forests of Pakistan, activities. 1. What factors impact the distribution of natural vegetation? Vegetation depends on climate, rainfall and temperature, soil type, altitude, water supply. 2. Name the largest man-made forest in Pakistan. The largest man-made forest is Changamanga Forest. 3. Which forest in Pakistan is declared a cultural heritage site? The juniper forest of Ziyarat is a cultural and natural heritage site. 4. State the importance of deodar forest. Deodar forests provide strong timber wood. They are home to wildlife and help prevent soil erosion in mountains. 8.5 Mangroves, activities. 1. What is a mangrove? A mangrove is a special tree that grows in salty water along sea coasts. 2. Describe certain adaptations of mangroves. Mangroves have roots that grow above ground to breathe air. They can remove extra salt through leaves. Their roots also hold them in muddy soil. 3. How important are mangroves to Pakistan? Mangroves protect the coastline from waves and storms. They help fishing industries and protect marine life in the Indus Delta. 4. Why are mangroves destroyed? Mangroves are cut for land, farming, fish farms, and coastal development. Pollution and human activity also destroy them. 8.1 Forests, the biophysical environment, important fill in the blanks. Forests are lands dominated by trees. Trees in a forest must be more than 2 meters high. Trees must shade more than 20% of the ground to be classed as a forest. A typical forest is composed of an overstory and an understory. The upper tree layer of a forest is called the canopy. The canopy is made up of the crowns, branches and foliage of trees. Smaller plants growing beneath the canopy form the understory. Tropical rainforests have 5 distinct layers. Trees that rise above the canopy are called emergent trees. Shrubs and ferns are suited to low light conditions. The ground layer contains fallen leaves, seeds, fruit and decaying organic matter. The 3 main types of forests are tropical, temperate and cold forests. Another name for cold forests is taiga or boreal forest. Tropical rainforests are found from 0 degree to this degree north and south of the equator. Tropical rainforests remain constantly hot between 24 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Tropical rainforests receive more than 1,500 mm of rainfall annually. Tropical rainforests are dominated by broadleaf evergreen plants. Vines growing on rainforest trees are called lianas. Temperate deciduous forests are found in parts of Europe, China and Japan. Trees in temperate forests shed leaves during autumn. Evergreen coniferous forests are found south of the Arctic tundra. Coniferous trees have small, needle-shaped, waxy-coated leaves. Examples of coniferous trees include spruce, fir, cedar and pine. Forests are important carbon sinks. Through photosynthesis, trees remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Forests help to stabilize atmospheric temperatures. Forests support energy flow and nutrient cycling. Forests help reduce soil erosion. Forests help purify water and air. Forests influence local and regional climate. 8.2 Forests, causes of environmental change, important fill in the blanks. The clearing of tropical rainforests increased rapidly in the late 20th century. Humans cleared forests to grow crops and pastures. The spread of the world, as population increased, the demand for land and forest resources. Modern chainsaws and electro-hydraulic harvesters increased forest destruction. Forest removal is known as deforestation. Deforestation is the removal of large expanses of trees. Forests are cleared for agriculture, timber and mineral extraction. Human activities have reduced the Earth's original forest cover by about 46%. Tropical forests are mainly being converted into agricultural land. Deforestation usually begins when a road is cut into a forest. Cutting all trees uniformly is called clear-cutting. Remaining forests are often cleared by burning. Large soybean plantations are common in the Amazon basin of Brazil. Palm oil plantations are common in Indonesia. Logging, cattle ranching and cash crops are direct causes of forest destruction. Poverty and population growth are underlying causes of deforestation. Forest environments support immense biomass and biodiversity. Climate change is causing forests to become warmer and drier. Lack of water weakens trees and increases insect attacks. Dry forests increase the frequency of forest fires. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth. The Amazon rainforest is called the lungs of the Earth. The Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. The Amazon rainforest acts as a carbon sink. The Amazon basin functions like a massive water pump. Globalization has increased the demand for hardwood timber. Industrial forest plantations are mainly found in tropical and subtropical regions. Recycling timber can help reduce the demand for wood-based products. Planting trees on abandoned land is called afforestation. Planting new trees to restore forests is called reforestation. Allowing only selected trees to be cut is called selective logging. Laws and regulations can help prevent undue forest destruction. 8.3 Climate and natural vegetation, important fill in the blanks. Climate affects temperature, humidity and precipitation levels. Natural vegetation develops without human efforts. Agriculture depends on human activities such as sowing seeds and watering. The variety of natural vegetation depends mostly on climatic differences. Precipitation and solar radiation are critical for plant growth. Areas with high rainfall usually have forests. Areas with medium rainfall generally have grasslands. Areas with low rainfall usually contain deserts. Tropical rainforests grow mainly near the equator. Polar regions receive the least amount of the sun's rays. Latitude and altitude both affect natural vegetation. With increasing elevation, air temperature decreases. Wind speed increases with higher altitude. High latitude and elevation encourage low-growing plants. Temperate forests are found at mid-latitudes. Coniferous and deciduous trees grow in temperate forests. Brazil nut trees can grow up to 1 meter tall. In Brazil, cutting down a Brazil nut tree is illegal. Brazil nut trees survive only in a healthy forest ecosystem. 8.4 Forests of Pakistan, important fill in the blanks. Pakistan has a variety of forest ecosystems. Forests help preserve Pakistan's biodiversity. Approximately 4.9% of Pakistan's land is covered with forests. Coniferous and scrub forests make up about 40% of Pakistan's forest area. Alpine forests are found in Dir, Chitral and Kohistan. Alpine forests have needle-shaped leaves and sloppy branches. Wildlife is scarce in alpine forests because of the harsh and cold environment. Coniferous forests are found in Swat, Murree and Quetta. Coniferous trees are evergreen and bear cones. Riverine forests grow along the banks of River Indus. Riverine forests grow quickly because of fertile soil and abundant water. Tropical thorn forests are found in Punjab, Sindh and Balochistan. Tropical thorn forests usually produce low-quality wood. Mangrove forests are found in the Indus Delta and Hub Delta. Mangroves grow in salty seawater. Mangroves act as breeding grounds for aquatic life. Climate, altitude, soil fertility and water affect the distribution of forests. Juniper forests are located in the Ziyarat district of Balochistan. Some juniper trees are believed to be over 5,000 saal old. Doder forests are found in Gilgit-Baltistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Doder forests provide habitat for the endangered murkhor. Ayubia National Park is located in the Murray Hills. Chengamanga is one of the largest man-made forests in the world. Chengamanga was established during the British colonial era. 8.5 mangroves, important fill in the blanks. Mangroves are special trees that can live in salty water. Mangroves grow where land meets the sea. There are 69 different types of mangrove trees in the world. Mangroves are common along warm coastal regions. Mangroves help protect coastlines from waves and tides. Mangrove roots are often covered by the tides. Destroying mangroves removes the natural protective buffer. Mangroves have extensive root systems for support. Some mangroves have special roots called pneumatophores. Pneumatophores help mangroves absorb oxygen. Mangroves prevent most salt from entering their roots. Excess salt is secreted through the leaves. Mangrove forests in Pakistan are mainly found in the Indus Delta. Mangroves help prevent coastal erosion. Mangroves reduce the impact of tsunamis. Mangroves act as natural barriers along the coastline. Mangrove forests serve as nurseries for marine species. Nearly half of the world's mangrove forests have been destroyed. Mangroves are often destroyed due to coastal development and prawn farms. Bangladesh and the Philippines have lost about 75% of their mangrove forests. Untapped mangrove forests are highly valuable for fishing and fuel wood. Protecting mangroves costs far less than clearing them for aquaculture. 8.1 forests, the biophysical environment. 1. What percentage of ground must be shaded for an area to be called a forest? Answer, 20%. 2. How tall must trees be to be considered a forest? Answer, 2 meter. 3. Which layer is the uppermost part of a forest? Answer, canopy. 4. Which trees rise above the canopy? Answer, emergent trees. 5. Forests are mainly composed of which two layers? Answer, overstory and understory. 6. Which forest has the most complex structure? Answer, tropical rainforest. 8.2 forests, causes of environmental change. 1. What is deforestation? Answer, cutting forests. 2. Main reason for forest clearing in history. Answer, agriculture. 3. What tool increased large-scale forest cutting? Answer, chainsaw. 4. Which region has highest deforestation? Answer, South America. 5. What is a direct cause of deforestation? Answer, logging. 6. What is an indirect cause of deforestation? Answer, roads. 8.3 Climate and natural vegetation. 1. What mainly controls natural vegetation? Answer, climate. 2. Which factor is most important for forests? Answer, rainfall and temperature. 3. Which region has tropical rainforest? Answer, equator. 4. What type of vegetation grows in low rainfall areas? Answer, deserts. 5. As altitude increases, temperature generally. Answer, decreases. 6. Natural vegetation means. Answer, naturally grown plants. 8.4 Forests of Pakistan. 1. Total forest cover in Pakistan is about. Answer, 4%. 2. Coniferous forests are mostly found in. Answer, northern mountains. 3. Mangroves are found in. Answer, coastal areas. 4. Juniper forests are located in. Answer, Ziyarat. 5. Largest man-made forest in Pakistan. Answer, Chengamanga. 6. Doder forests are mainly in. Answer, Himalayan regions. 8.5 Mangroves. 1. Mangroves grow in. Answer, salty coastal water. 2. Mangroves are mainly found in Pakistan at. Answer, Indus Delta. 3. Pneumatophores help mangroves in. Answer, breathing oxygen. 4. Mangroves protect coasts by. Answer, preventing erosion. 5. One major threat to mangroves is. Answer, coastal development. 6. Mangroves act as. Answer, carbon sinks.